Hello.
Yo, what's up,
my
everyone?
people?
Meghalaya people, Khasi people.
Yeah, it's your
Peace
African
from
brother.
Africa, man. This is Gabsgabitv with my brother.
I'm here from Meghalaya.
Yeah, I'm from Mizoram, guys. You can
Yes,
call
sir.
me Mizo. Yes, Mizo. Mizo, Rasta Mizo. Because of this, you call me Rasta Mizo, okay?
Bob.
Yeah, Bob Mizo or Rasta Mizo, guys.
Yeah.
So we have one latest music video here by Big Lady,
Yes.
most talented female musician from Shillong.
The one and only.
The one and only by the name Jessie Lyngdoh, guys. I don't know what does it mean by Lyngdoh. All the time I'm finding
Maybe it's your name.
it's surname, but I want to know what does it mean. So many people they carry that surname.
Yeah.
Like we have Eddie Lyngdoh, Jessie Lyngdoh,
Yes, sir.
Lyngdoh. I think it's nice name. What does it mean, guys?
From
And
the same grandfather.
yes,
Yeah.
like this name is famous in the
Yeah.
state. This is what I'm trying to say.
Yeah.
So today music video is called RAMHAH.
Hey.
RAMHAH.
RAMHAH. What does it mean?
RAMHAH. They will tell us in
Yeah,
the comments. Huh?
Drop your
So
comments.
we are feed Sur Na Nongkyndong and also Na Carmel Dohling.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Let's check it out. Make sure
To subscribe.
guys. All the
like, share.
Jessie Lyngdoh fan join this African family. Let's do it.
Yeah, man. Let's jump right in.
Hey, kacung ah, meh? Kacung ah. Meh, awak cepat lagi. Ngar apa meh? Belakang. Kacung ah. Mau testat meh?
See?
Meru apa
She's
testat?
mine. She's mine. No, she's mine.
Malai.
Then I told my mother. I informed my mother. That is,
Oh, kemarin makannya puno.
How come they know about us?
yeah. Marabang is the one saying that I informed her.
What about my baby? Yeah.
Now,
Yeah,
to say she's mine, to say something mine, Jonga. Mine. Khasi means mine.
Kalau tengah, stop meh. Hey, kalau tengah. Kayo.
Give me the word.
Alingan ya tu kana kat bangi dang sa chau na hai belai ki RAMHAH ka juk menta
Okay, Rama is
Sudap
like,
tang da kiksa kiker ho be kum ukla da shisha jelai ki RAMHAH juk menta Renyeng takut chiteng bleng pin mau juk suit uklen hai ka jing kills kum be ola ya kren Suki kêu kaskong last tang ban hi sai ki kmun ban thep da kam luk shi kiluru la long Suki kêu kaskong last tang ban heng sai ki kmun ban thep da kam luk shi kiluru la long Ahe RAMHAH what's tang le man yo shakin juna utman ang da ken na ka jing grorin sa betlan Ahe RAMHAH wale ju por shi sin kasmi pin page kor pin jalur ka jing le kang jing le aktor
hey, Rama. Do we have RAMHAH? It's not Rama, it's RAMHAH.
RAMHAH.
I hope we don't have RAMHAH watching here, guys, because from this music video, what I got, like those guys, they were shouting, fighting for the lady, right? And you know Marabang is that big actor, that good actor. His name is
I
Marabang,
told her mother
the
that
Jing man. He used to do like the Jing man.
But to be honest, both of them they are wrong. It's mine.
They're all saying it's mine, it's mine.
It's mine, me. Both of them they are
But
wrong.
it is ours actually, guys,
Yeah.
because we are
It's
coming.
belong for ours.
Jonga,
Jonga,
Jongpi,
Yonkiyos.
Jonga, Jongpi.
Jongpi.
So So they were all showing the egos and the pride.
Yes,
So Jessie Lyngdoh she came and to calm them down. Yeah, I got it.
She
Nice.
figured it out.
Let's see
Hai RAMHAH baking kong tu pendu kacing sarong yo jager teng bagne pas ke Nongkyndong Dengannya benih syadem ki datang ki kam kela yo bisher yang hagi knai penduk jakwa hey ko hemmen ko parat pendu naga le RAMHAH bashisin kaski penrit ko mitla suki suki keu kaskong lastang ban hing sakit mod Suki suki kêu kaskong lastang ban heng sakit mut ban kata kamluk shiki luru lalong Ahe RAMHAH what's tang leman yo shakin jana utman hang ta kena kajing krotin sabai lan Ahe RAMHAH wala jubo shi sin kasi pin pishko pin jaluk kajing le kangjing le akor
now they are showing the RAMHAH behavior. Let's show them who. Let's show them who's the RAMHAH.
What you been hitting What you been hitting Nè sugar bek lăng chinh mốt Bek chua linh krong la chong Bat sur ha shua kang ek mon Hoi kêu Hoi kêu Yo ba kr to kala Yo ba kr to kala Ha du kim la ki kli shu Pen sa mar way Wat ung yao ru ung man shu Hoi kêu Hoi kêu Ahe RAMHAH what's tang leman Yo shakin juna utman Hang takin na kajing dor ding sabai lan Ahe RAMHAH wala jubo Shi sin kasi pin pishkor Pin jalut kajing le kangjing le aktor
Video.
It happens.
What is the moral story from this video? Like, what do you think this video can teach us?
Teach us like about friendship. No matter what's going on between us, at least after we got mad, we'll come back again. So like kind of friendship,
Yeah.
all of them.
Yeah, this video is giving nice
Message.
moral message.
I learned from it.
And what I learned is that because RAMHAH is meaning like someone who has the pride,
Yes, sir.
egos.
Mm.
It's any RAMHAH is like a bad
Ego.
behavior, bad attitude. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So anyone who is having RAMHAH behavior, actually, then no one will like you. So this what happened to Marabang and his friend. They were all showing their pride. Everyone wanted to show like some big man,
I'm a
right?
big boy.
Because of the ladies.
Eh,
Then what happened? Jessie Lyngdoh came to give them the message. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And the message was like, we have to humble ourselves in this life.
God
We
bless
have to
you.
be kind.
You have to humble yourself.
Yeah.
Don't be hypocritical.
Yeah.
You see your muscles, your money,
And-
and you act like a.
Yeah. The music video is nice, and I just love the idea. Like, see how they film it, the music.
Yes, sir.
I feel like I'm watching a movie.
Yeah.
Yeah.
From the
That is what's so
I'm
nice
so
about
sure.
it.
Even I.
When you saw at the first, you thought it was movie, right?
I said, hey,
RAMHAH.
my reaction
Yeah.
to a movie.
Yeah, it's the same thing. At first, I thought Jessie Lyngdoh was releasing maybe a short film.
I've been saying, hey, it's mine, it's
Yeah.
mine, it's mine, it's
The,
mine. I
the
thought
sound, the behavior, the acting, it's really so
even
nice.
the barbecue, the chicken,
Yeah.
everything.
Like they showed something totally different. Like it's more bigger than a music video.
yeah.
Yeah, this is something really lit. We love it, Jessie Lyngdoh. Keep updating. Keep surprising people with such amazing thing.
Let them know what's going
Let
on.
them know that you're a big lady. You
Yes,
do
sir.
things bigger than the
Yes, sir.
small ladies, guys. Anyway, all the best, all the
Enjoy it,
females.
enjoy it, I
We
enjoy
really
it.
love it. And subtitle was there. We understood everything clearly,
Please
guys.
keep on making subtitles
Yeah,
for us so that we understand.
You know, the first music video I reacted to how was Nongkyndong with those guys.
Hey,
That music video subtitle was not there. And from that time, Jessie Lyngdoh commented
Yeah.
when she saw that we reacted to the music.
Yeah.
She said, "From now, she will keep the subtitle."
Yeah. Please.
Anyway, it's something good,
Keep
whether you're
subtitle.
keeping it for foreigners
Yeah.
or whatever, just to make more information. Like
Yes,
for
yes,
us,
yes.
it made more sense for us,
Yes,
guys.
yes.
So thank you so much. Love from Africa. Peace out.
Bye bye.
Don't be RAMHAH, okay?
Don't be RAMHAH.
RAMHAH, nahi.